Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a hands-on lab on Jenkins fundamentals and CI/CD pipeline. For this, you will first need an Ubuntu instance. I am basically using my Ubuntu instance on VMware. So now let us first get into the terminal. Once you are into the terminal, make sure you become the root user. Type sudo su. Type in your password. Once that is done, let us now update our system. apt-get update. So now we are installing default JDK, Vim and Git. Let us wait for some time for them to get installed. Let us add the key. Now create a source list for Jenkins. Once that is done, let us update our system apt-get update and let us install Jenkins. apt-get install Jenkins-y. Now let us get into the sudoers folder. In this, get below line 27 and push in the command Jenkins all is equal to all no password all. ID Jenkins. Once that is done, please type service Jenkins restart and now service Jenkins status. Now use the tails command which I have used only to check if Jenkins is fully up and running. Now type ifconfig. Once you do that, take the IP address and paste it on the browser. Now you basically have to unlock Jenkins. To do that, you will basically be using the cat command. This is going to give you a password which you will have to copy and paste back to your browser. Once you do that, click on Install Suggested Plugins. Please wait for all the plugins to be installed. This might take a while. Once installation is done, please give in your username, password and confirm your password and push in a full name and your email address. Click on Save and Finish. You will get a message saying Jenkins is ready. Now click on Restart Jenkins. Once that is done, please push in your username and password and click on Sign In. Once you are signed in to Jenkins, click on New Item and give your item a name. I am naming mine Demo Pipeline because I am going to create a pipeline right now. Click on Pipeline and click on OK. Now let us go to my GitHub repository and copy the link of the cloud-enabled web app repository. Now let us go to pipeline syntax and in sample step, please click on git kit and in repository URL, paste the URL of the cloud-enabled web app. Click on generate pipeline script. Copy the script that is generated. paste it in the pipeline script. Now, we are again going to go back to the pipeline syntax. Here, let us now select the sample step as sh shell script. Now, we are basically going to install Maven, that is sudo apt install maven-y. Click on generate pipeline script. Copy the script that has been generated. Paste it in the pipeline script now. Again go back to pipeline syntax. We are going to compile Maven now. Maven compile, generate the pipeline script, copy the script, go back to pipeline script and paste it there. Let us again go back to the pipeline syntax and now Maven package. Generate the script, copy the script, and again paste it back in the pipeline script. Now let us install Tomcat 8. Generate the script and copy the script and paste it back right at the pipeline script. Now let us go to stage in sample step. Now we are just going to create a stage wherein it's going to comment saying whatever step we are doing. So I am basically commenting clone the repo for the first step. We are going to do the same thing for all the remaining commands. Now let us deploy the var file. For that, we are going to use sudo cp target cloud enabled web apps.var/var/lib/tomcat8/web apps. Once this is done, click on Save. Now we are going to build the script. Click on Build now. This step might take some time, but I have just forwarded it here. And yes, you can see that our CI/CD pipeline has been deployed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.